Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Miles Rewards app. It's an app that allows you to earn points and then redeem those points for actual cash. I've tried this out, and within this last week, I've already been able to redeem my miles for cash, and I think you guys are really going to like this app. It's really simple to use. All you have to do is install the app. I'm showing the Android version here, but they also have the iOS version on the App Store. Now, after you download the app, and I'll put links down below in the YouTube description for you to check it out, you're going to need to obviously create an account because they need to be able to track your travel. Now, I know some of you might say, well, I don't want any app to track me, and if that's the case, then don't download the app because that's the only way to make money at this. But I can tell you that in about a 1 week time, I've been able to collect about 4,000 miles. And it's not a 1 mile driven or walked that you get 1 mile in the app. It's kind of like you drive for 10 miles and they might reward you with 100 miles in the app. But it is really easy to collect miles, even when you're not thinking about it. If you go on a 1 mile walk today, it'll track you and it'll give you points for that 1 mile walk. If you go for a drive and you go, let's say, to school or to work, it will track those miles and give you rewards and points for those miles driven. But in my opinion, the best way to make money at this is to refer your friends and your family to download the app and to complete the steps in order for you to get a referral credit. After you get the app up and running, after you've created your new account and you used my code to get those free 500 miles to start, you're going to head into the app and tap on the account button. And here's the really cool thing, because sometimes, as you can see in my app right now, under the enter invite slash special code, it'll say one new. And when you click on that, you can see down below it says on the road and it says get 500 bonus miles. So all you're going to do is tap on the road, hit apply, and those 500 miles will be earned immediately. So as you can see, within the first couple of seconds of installing the app and creating your account, getting my 500 miles donated to you, you can earn other miles just like this within seconds. So almost immediately, you're halfway to the point where you can redeem for rewards. It's really that simple. Now, I will say that you won't always get these types of codes here. So if you go back into the app and you click on that same thing, you'll have to wait until they have another special reward code. Or if you know somebody with a reward code that you can redeem, you can try that out too. But they don't always give these special codes. It's kind of hit or miss. But in the week that I've had this app, I've already been able to collect 3 different sets of rewards, earning me about 1,300 miles worth. So keep that in mind when you have the app installed, to come to the account tab and check for these special invite codes. But overall, it's really easy to collect miles, to earn for rewards. You can see under the trips tab here where you've traveled, how much you've traveled. As you can see, I've traveled quite a bit in the last couple of weeks because I've been traveling for getting stuff for my new apartment. And if you head back over to the rewards tab, you can see all the different things that you can redeem your credits for and your miles for. And looking at this list, it is very extensive and there are a lot of really great options to choose from. But the thing that you're going to want to keep in mind here is this referral section. All you have to do is copy this in by clicking this invite now button. It'll pop up with all of the different people that you can share this code with. And once they sign up, as you can see, referrals must take 5 1-mile trips between July 2025. Now, for you, when you install the app, it might be past that date, so your dates will be different. However, if somebody signs up on July 24th using your own affiliate or referral code, and they take 5 1-mile trips in that one day, you will still qualify for the 5 or 10 or 15 or 20 or even the $125 reward. So just keep that in mind when you are referring people, that it's good to kind of spread it out if you can, or get them all at once and you guys all take 5 1 mile trips all on the same day or something like that if you're really pressed for time. But ultimately, this is a really great app to make extra money online. It's not very difficult. It's kind of like the Sweatcoin app where they pay you to walk. And as you can see, I'm loading up my Sweatcoin app here. I haven't taken many steps today. I've been sick this week. But as you can see, I've earned 4,400 Sweatcoin over the last couple of years. But with Sweatcoin, you can do basically the same thing. You're getting free rewards, and then you can redeem those rewards for actual products, actual discounts, really great things online. So just keep that in mind when you're using the Miles app, that it may take you some time to get up to the bigger rewards, but know that it will be very easy for you if you're already traveling, you're driving a lot, you're going to the airport, or you're going to work, or you're going to school every day. Those miles add up and you'll be collecting miles in the background without even knowing it. So just keep that in mind when you are downloading the app. If you're someone who just sits around and doesn't do anything all day, maybe this is the app for you to kind of get you motivated to start working out and moving again. I don't know, but there are a lot of really great options in this app. And the biggest thing here is the referrals. So just make sure that if you are referring people, that you tell them that they need to walk 5 1 mile trips between the dates that are listed in your app in order for you to qualify for the Amazon gift card. If they don't do that, they will still get rewards, but you will not get any rewards for that. So keep that in mind. But overall, it's just a really great app to get people up and moving and getting rewarded for it. So if this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. I have a couple more videos that I'm going to be making about apps that help earn you some extra money. One in particular is one where you take pictures of your receipts and you earn instant cash. It's not Receipt Hog. It's a different one that I found that actually works a lot better and actually rewards you more points and money for the receipts that you take pictures of. So I will be posting a video of that in the next couple of weeks, and that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. Please subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.